So when I pulled up this morning off the main road, I saw the break on the top window, and I was just like, "Oh, it's happened. The inevitable has happened." It wasn't until I unlocked the gate and I came in and actually saw the extent of the damage. That's, you never want one window to be broken, let alone 5. It's just hard because it's been so difficult to get to this point, and then a week after it started to happen, it's just took away from you.
You got to think about costs now, and then you got to think about deadline as well. Like, work was meant to start on Monday. Is that going to carry on, or?
Yes. We're not going to stop.
So, obviously, the money that we'd been given, the money that we've had donated was supposed to be towards like insurance and stuff like that, and my license to drive it. But that's all going to be set back now because of the cost of repairing it. We're going to try and so we've got a team of about 4 of us here today to try and get something set up so it's not going to happen again. We're making the fencing stronger. We've got some barbed wire that we're putting up as well. We're working with the electrician to put some lighting in to try and like get it up. Just trying to get it. I mean, if somebody wants to come and do it, they can, but we just want to try and make it as loud and as long as possible, so they get bored and go away. So I'm going to try and put some fencing around it just to make it look like it's not just been dumped. And it's really annoying because the people that have done it are probably the people who are trying to help and the people who I've been trying to feed for the last 6 months. You know, I'm doing this for the community, and it's like one tiny little group of them. It's the people who really need to try and get to give them something positive to do, like a purpose. And instead they're coming there, there's drink up there, there's paraphernalia, substances, it's just not good. And then there's somebody's been to the toilet from both areas inside the bus. It's not good, you know. And it hasn't set back because of the work, but it's set back me mentally, because I'm like, I could just get rid of it and just go and get a normal job.
Don't do that.
I just come this far, mate.
Don't do that.
But
it's these things though that happen that makes you realise the impact of this. Makes you realise how strong the team you have around you.
With this many people behind you, mate, there is no way we're going to let you throw the towel in. You have got so much support, mate. We're not going to back down. This is just a minor setback.
I thought I'll come up today, I'll bring some of my tools and I'll just put them in here, so on Monday we can just start sorting my first aid kit out, so that's all ready. And then
you've got us on the team, mate.
just
got a massive team, a massive following, and I can guarantee you that we will get through this. This is just a minor setback, considering where you've come from. I know that, I've been there myself. I know what it's like to have been homeless. I know the stress and the mental anxiety that goes with it, the depression, the sleepless nights. This is nothing by comparison. This is just a setback.
Before I moved to Devon, there was a situation where there was broken glass like this at home, and that's when I came down. I was like, right, that's it, that's the last straw. And that haunts me. If there's a motorbike that I don't recognise the sound to, I'm on my toes. When the postman comes, I'm on my toes. Little noises. I'm like, is that something else which is going to come through the window? And then to see the glass on the carpet is just an instant throwback. I had every Friday morning I have my counsellor. So I have my counsellor this morning, which obviously gets you into the bottom of your troubles and stuff. So that's made me a little bit delicate today, and then this has happened. So it's really
couldn't have come at a worse time for you.
It really
during the week, if you know what I mean.
Just hit me right in my gut.
Yeah.
But I've got my broom.
your dustpan?
No. I came to sweep up some old leaves.
Well, those side windows run at around about £250 each. That windscreen's probably about £350.
I don't want to know yet.